everyone, welcome to my vlog. So today, I'm gonna talk about how multimedia and ICT works in the 21st century and how it can affect in our daily lives. So let's start it. Before I talk about how it changed our lives in the 21st century, let me define what is multimedia and ICT. Multimedia is the combination of text, images, videos, audio, and animation that makes information more interactive and fun. And the ICT, or the Information and Communication Technology, refers to digital tools like computers, internet, and mobile phones that help us communicate and access information more easier and faster. So, how can benefits in our education? With multimedia and ICT, learning has become more interactive. So, how it can interactive? Because of students can watch educational videos, join online classes, and access information anytime using the internet. And also, how can benefits in our communication? So, we can now easily connect with family and friends through social media, video calls, and messaging apps like Messenger and etc. Like any other apps, no matter how far they are. So, lastly is, how it can benefits in the business. So, businesses can promote their products online through websites and social media platforms that can pay online and through social media. So that's all how it works. So lastly, multimedia and ICT helps our life more easier, more efficient, and more connected. So we assumes that if the technology keeps improving, it can shape our future and also our daily lives in the future. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please click the notification bell to get notified in my next video. That's all. Thank you.